What a wonderful day at the airport. Let's go in. Okay. I'll go in the airport. Until night, wait in line. Till you get there. I think I just have to do, 63. Here you go, item hopper. Go to jam. Okay, thank you. Okay. Here you go, I got you a gem. See, well, let me give it to you back. Yep. Here's the gem. So you have to put this thing there. Okay. Here you go. I'm just going to do something. So I passed the test. Okay. Now it's time to go to the airplane. That's a cool trip. I can't wait to go into the airplane. Cool. That airport looks nice. Cool. Look, I can place my thing there. Okay, I'm just gonna play with my phone. Just gonna play with my phone. Hold on a second. Lava! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What is wrong with the airplane? Oh no! Oh no! It's lava! It's lava! Oh my gosh! Where are we going up to? Oh no! I think I'm about to. Where am I? Is that the plane put? Who are you? Okay. Were you okay? The plane crashed, so you lost your items. Well, I kept them safe for you. They're in my car. It has your items. Wait, for real? Hold on. Oh my gosh, yay!